Right, welcome back. We're going to be looking at Unit 313, okay? Unit 313. Now, as you can see, overseeing and organizing the work environment electrical installation, okay? So let me just move up a little bit for you so you can see. Now, outcome 1 we're going to be looking at here. And you can see that students will be able to provide relevant people with technical and functional information for work on electrical systems and equipment. Okay. Moving up to 1.1. Okay. Identify the relevant people such as etc. Now you can read this for yourselves. I won't need to go through to read this for you. Okay. Let me just make this a little bit bigger, okay, so it can be seen. Okay, and I hope that does the trick. Yes, it seems to have done. Okay. This means that you should provide all customers or clients with test results, sheets, working instructions, what to do in an emergency, etc. Okay. Now again, going down a little bit further, remember that your IEE and IET regulations provide you with a lot of information already what you should and should not be doing. Okay. So bear that in mind. Okay. Let's go down a little bit more. Okay. I'm going to make this a little bit larger if I can here, so it can be seen. Bear with me for a moment. Okay. Okay. So this again you can read for yourselves. Okay. Don't need me to read in this through to you at all. Okay. You may have when annual service is due. Sorry, that's slightly incorrect there. Okay, I missed my wording out there. So we can infer that you may have when annual service is due. Well, you may have information in regards to when an annual service is due, so you would provide her with that information, or provide him with that information, or provide them with that information accordingly. Okay? That's what we're trying to say there, so do forgive my miswording. Okay. Now remember, the customer may not be an electrician, but the information is useful should something goes wrong when the installation is there for the electricians. Should something goes wrong, then the information is there for the electricians, whoever comes to do the servicing. Okay, basically. Forgive me here, I've made one. I've slipped up a little bit by misplacing my letters, so please do forgive me on that. But the text should be able to explain itself to you anyway in full. So please do take the time to read it through. Okay. Now again here we look at 1.2. Okay. Identify any additional information that may also be required. This would be your health and safety regs from unit 311. Okay, you can apply that. If you've done the work right, you will have information that you can use from that point. Okay, you simply copy it in and reference it for the section that you want to use it in. Each section must be referenced. Okay, do not just insert it as if you're taking it from 311 to 312 directly, because that's not going to work too good. And here we have 1.3. Okay, look back at what you have done previously. That's all I'm saying here now. And I've used this information here as referencing for 1.2, 1.1, etc., etc. Okay. Now 1.4, identify appropriate technical and functional information that is required for the work activity. Here you will need a materials list, diagrams, layout diagrams, block diagrams, etc., etc. What you need to do the job that you're presently on or going to. Okay. Again, you can read this for yourselves. Okay, I'll bring this a little bit closer so it can be seen. Okay. Okay. And again, here we're looking now at 1.5. And again, all looks at this as per 1.1 to 1.4 above. You will copy and reference for 1.5. Okay, and you would reference it to the relevant sections, identifying the elements which you want to use the information for. Okay. Okay, that will be it at this point. Okay, I'm going to go on to outcome 2, and I will follow on with outcome 2 in respect of 313. Okay, just going back a little bit to recap. Okay, so, and we'll bring that to a close now. Thank you.